TechnoIllustrator. Managing photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Download the following images in TLIB website. Christmas folder. Halloween folder. Valentine's folder. You will be using those pictures in this activity. First, you need to copy the folders to student stations. Place it in Libraries. Pictures. In Windows Photo Gallery, click on a folder to see its contents. Select the photo that you think should not be in the folder. Right-click on the photo. Click on Copy. Another way to copy is to select the picture and press Ctrl+C. Step 2. Paste your photo in the correct folder. To do this, simply select the correct folder. Right-click on white space. Left-click Paste. Another way is to select the correct folder and just press Ctrl+V. If you paste the copied photo in the wrong folder, simply select the photo again and delete.